all are fine? Namaskar. Now start with prayer. Yes. Very good children. Now join your hands. Karagre vasate Lakshmi Karmadhye Saraswati Karmule tu Govinde Prabhate Kar Darshanam Prabhate Kar Darshanam. Again. Karagre vasate Lakshmi Karmadhye Saraswati Karmule tu Govinde Prabhate Kar Darshanam. बच्चों, जब हम पहले उठते हैं हमें दोनों हाथ का अवलोकन करना है। इसमें उग्र भाग में लक्ष्मी निवास करते हैं, मध्य भाग में सरस्वती निवास करते हैं एंड मूल भाग में गोविंदा मीन्स विष्णु एंड श्री कृष्ण निवास करते हैं। सो हमें दोनों हाथों का सवेरे उठ के पहले अवलोकन करना है। धीरे धीरे मुंह पे हाथ रखना है। Children, today I will do one activity of body parts, right? I have some body parts here. Okay. Now I will take one body parts, right? I will take mouth. What is this? Mouth. Okay. I will stick here. Here? Right? No. Then can I stick here? No? Yes. Now children, can I stick here? Can I stick here? Yes, very good. Now, next, I found. Which body part is this? Which body part is this, children? Nose. Can I stick here? No. Can I stick here? No. Can I stick here? Yes. Okay. Now again. What is this? Lips. What is this? Lips. Can I stick here? Yes, correct. Now next body part is, I will take, oh, what is this? Eyes. Can I stick here? Yes. How many eyes do you have, children? 2 eyes. I can see with my eyes. Now next body parts, I will take ear. Okay. Stick here? No. Stick here? Yes. How many ears do you have? How many ears do you have? 2 ears. I can listening with my ears? Yes. Now next. What is this? Hands. Right. Now next. What is this? Palm. हम palm print करते हैं, palm print. Put it here, right? Now, what is this? Mouth. Now, what is this? Legs. And what is this? Feet. Now, children, I will disconnect all picture, okay? Because हम अगेन एंड अगेन हमको जब ये एक्टिविटी रिपीट करनी हो हम रिपीट कर सकते, ओके? I will sing one rhymes, okay? Two little hands, two little legs, two little hands and two little legs, one big back and one big chest, one big back and one big chest. What is this? Chest. What is this? Chest. And one little hands. Two little hands and two little legs. Two little hands and two little legs. One big back and one big chest. One big chest. 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. Two little eyes and one little nose. Two little eyes and one little nose. Two little ears and two little feet. Two little ears and two little feet. One little mouth. One little mouth, lots of teeth. One little mouth, lots of teeth. Rosy lips, and a big forehead, big forehead. Rosy lips, and big forehead, and big forehead. Rosy lips and big forehead, rosy lips and big forehead, and lots of hair on the head, and lots of hair on the head. One little chin and two elbows, one little chin and two elbows, two little ankle, two little ankle and two eyebrows, two little ankle and two eyebrows. One long neck, one long neck. This is a neck. One long neck and chubby cheeks. One long head, one long neck and chubby cheeks. Two long arms and two round knees. Two long arms and two round knees. This is our body parts, right? Do you like these rhymes? Yes, very good, children. Name of hand in notebook and homework series classwork. Children, our body made up of different parts. Our body made up of different parts. All these parts are important for healthy living, right? So now I want to tell you about different part of body. What is this? Which body part is this? Ears. Which body part is this? Ears. Now children, how many ears do you have? 2 ears. How many ears do you have? 2. What do you do with your ears? I can listening with my ears? Yes. Now next. Neck. Which body part is this? Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. Now next. Which body part is this? Hand. Which body part is this? Hands. How many hands do you have? 2 Two hands. How many hands do you have? Two hands. What do you do with your hands? I can clap with my hands. I can eat with my hands. I can write with my hands. Right. Now, what is this? Fingers. How many fingers do you have? 10 fingers. 5 finger, 1 in hand and 5 finger second hand, right? In total 10 fingers. And what is this? Thumb. How many thumbs do you have? 2 thumbs. Now next, which body part is this? Legs. Which body part is this? Legs. How many legs do you have? 2 legs. How many legs do you have? 2 legs. What do you do with your legs? I can jump with my legs. I can walk with my legs. I can run with my legs. Right. Now next. And what is the spelling of leg? L-E-G-S. Legs. Now next. Which body part is this? Eyes. How many eyes do you have? 2 eyes. How many eyes do you have? 2 eyes. What is the spelling of eyes? E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. What do you do with your eyes? I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. Now next. Which body part is this? Nose. How many nose do you have? 1 nose. What do you do with your nose? I can smell with my nose. I can smell with my nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Now tell me, children, what is this? Which body part is this? Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Now tell me, which body part is this? Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. Now children, now tell me, which body part is this? Nose. What is the name of the nose? N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Now next, today I will take name of hands. H-A-N-D. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. A-N-D-S. Hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. You will write only blue line. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. 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 Book, write classwork and mention date. I will draw. Which body part is this? Hand. I will write name of hand. Hands. 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 And then down homework, right? And then mention day. सेम हियर, यहाँ पे भी आपको ऐसे ही हैंड्स का नेम लिखना है, राइट? नाउ चिल्ड्रन, आवर क्लास वर्क एंड होमवर्क इज डन. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन.